Origi thibitari wa Mediheal niwe yumiritie na gwitetera na kuga nduri na ucuke o wothe hari thuguri ya wendia wa higo mugaru na watho guku magikinyiriria makoretwo makiheana motungata ma urigiti kurumirira watho
by the Kenyan media.
Moigite motungata ma ucenjia wa higo maria thibitari uyu utabanitie matabanagio na njira ya uigiririki na uthuthuria ni wambaga gutabanirio uri uraheana no uri uramukira higo.
Organ transplant is not anything you wake up to and undertake within hours. It's a whole scientific process. We've been taken around through our facilities. Each of those theaters you've seen costs nothing less than $5 million.
So the central core of transplantation is how to make the patient's body accept a outside organ, maybe for a relative or may not be relative. That is not the issue. The body has to be conditioned in such a way that it doesn't reject the donor organ.
Thibitari uyu urutite ndumiriri riri kamiti ya bunge igi ugima wa mwiri yambikite mihango ya guthuthuria thibitari uyu kana niwikuruhanitie na thuguri ya wendia wa higo.
We don't open cut because kidney is behind, not in the front. We do keyhole surgery, laparoscopic surgery. So both donor and recipient. So the minimal invasion, less blood loss, less post-operative complication.
Maya magithiaga na mbere Minister wa ugima wa mwiri NDWIKURUHANITIE ni oritie kanjo ya kunyabara mirutire ya wira mathibitari-ini ma clinical officers gutigirira ni eka uthuthuria mathibitari-ini mothe maria mari rungu rwa kanjo ino hari gutigirira kuri no kinyaniria wa indo cia thibitari na oho manyitanire na kanjo ya URIGITANI KMPDC hari gutigirira thibitari iri na marua ma kuruta wira.
There's no way his inspection team can deny a facility and you give the license. No way. We will not accept it.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.